is that you? Oh, yes it is, Jupiter. I'm coming to rescue you and bring you your gas back. Okay, I'm gonna gasify you now. Yay, 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 yay. I'm back to my original self again. And I heard it's the last day of school before the summer holidays. Yay! So let's go. Good morning, class. I can see that it's the last day of school, so we're going to start cleaning up things up. Planets, cut the planet models down from the ceiling while I move away all the seats. Saturn, don't cut us down! Jupiter, she has to. You should be doing the same thing, and so should you, Mars. And for yelling at Saturn loud, you get your first strike. 4 more and you're grounded. Saturn, don't you dare cut us down. Oh, 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 oh. Saturn, how dare you cut us down. That's it. I'm ruining your platform. There. Oh, 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 oh. Jupiter and Mars, how dare you ruin Saturn's platform. You even made her cry, and you injured her very much. That's it. You both got your second strike. 3 more and you're both grounded. This milkshakes are delicious. Time for you guys to have hot dogs and chips. This lunch is the best thing for the last day of school. Now, you guys, now, Saturn, you can have your freezy now because you've been such a good girl. Sun, where's our freezy? Give it to us. Jupiter and Mars, you guys aren't getting a freezy because you already have 2 strikes. Give us 1, now. That's it, I'm throwing the hot dog at you. Take that back, you little monster. Hey, I want your Saturn to break her freezy. See, stop having a food fight. Oh, 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 oh. Saturn, how dare you throw freezies at us. That's it. I'm going to horrify you. Prepare to get horrified. There. Take that, you ugly monster. Oh, 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 oh. Jupiter, how dare you horrify Saturn. That's it. You and Mars both get your first strike. 2 more and you're grounded. This music is very quiet. I agree with you, Jupiter. We could get the volume up. Good idea. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Jupiter and Mars, how dare you put on really loud music. You could have just clogged our ears. That's it. You have a 4th strike. And you won't be getting any awards at the ceremony this afternoon. Okay, it is the award ceremony, and it's time for everyone to get their award. Mercury gets a phone for trying his best in every subject. Venus gets 1 for doing good in math and English. And so does Earth for the same thing. Uranus gets 1 for doing good in science. And Neptune gets 1 for doing good in gym. But however, Saturn gets a smart board. He's the best student ever. Congratulations. Sun, where's our award? We should get 1 now. Jupiter and Mars, you guys have behaved very bad this year. You've destroyed school properties, bullied others, and lots of other bad stuff. So no award for you. Oh, 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 oh. How dare you say that to us and not give us award but give the other planets stupid phones and especially stupid Saturn a stupid smart board. That's it. We're blowing up the school. in very big trouble when you guys get home. And no summer holiday for you. You're grounded. Oh. Jupiter and Mars, I'm very disappointed in what you guys done today. That's so bad of you guys. You guys are grounded for the entire summer, and no phones, no treats, and no nothing for the entire summer. Go to your room right now. Also, let's bring back... Also, Saturn has been a very good girl, and they've already gasified her. And also, this is just one video where Jupiter gets grounded. If you want to see another video